Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize card theme on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the second option, the personalize, and click to the second button, the card themes, next to the portraits button, and here you can find the different card themes and just select one and click that and click to the confirm button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.